In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple table on Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, editable table ready to use in your designs, and we'll do it using a quick plugin workflow so you don't waste time building cells by hand. First, open your design in Figma. Make sure you are on the page and frame where you want the table to live so you can see it in context with the rest of your layout. It helps to think ahead about how wide your table should be and how much information you plan to show. But don't worry, you'll be able to adjust it later. We'll use the Table Creator plugin because it's the fastest way to get a structured table in place. Open the plugins by pressing Ctrl-K to bring up the quick actions. Then click the Plugins menu. In the search bar, type Table Creator. Select it in the results and run it. If you haven't used it before, it's available right from that search so you can get started immediately without leaving your file. Inside the plugin, choose Create Table, then select New Template. This option generates the basic pieces you need: rows, columns, and cells so you are not manually duplicating rectangles or aligning text layers. It sets up a consistent structure that's easy to maintain and update as your design evolves. Next, customize your table. Choose the number of columns and rows and set the sizes. For example, you might pick 4 columns by 10 rows if you are planning a simple data grid or a feature comparison. Think about your content: wider columns for longer labels, narrower ones for numeric values. The plugin makes these choices straightforward, and you can refine the spacing or dimensions after it's created if something needs more room. When your settings look right, press Enter to generate the table. It will appear on your canvas instantly, aligned as a clean grid you can work with. The structure is editable, so you can tweak dimensions, adjust alignment, and rename layers just like you would with any other Figma elements. If you need to change the number of rows or columns later, it's often quicker to regenerate a new table with updated settings rather than rebuilding by hand, which keeps everything consistent. That's it. Thanks for watching.